Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you something that has been requested time and time again on Instagram, and that is how I style my mum bun. It is honestly the easiest hairstyle. Anyone can do this and it requires very minimum effort, minimum product, and yeah, it's very effective. It's kind of my go-to hairstyle when I've not got much time but I still want to look kind of put together for going the nursery run, or just for going out in general, or just for days when I want my hair up. Really, I like this for going out but as well as quick and easy days. So let me just get started and show you. It is so easy. The first thing you need to do is get yourself a bobble, which I always have on my wrist, very handy. So I've got myself a bobble which has got hair on it, so let me just snap that off. Yeah, so really you just need one bobble. I've got one that matches my hair colour so that you don't see it. I'm going to use a brush, a bobble, some hairspray, and also a styling wand. Now this one here is a little trick and hack from my friend Daily. Just take a normal curling iron and then unscrew this part here that's got the clip on it that holds your hair, and use it as a curling wand. So yeah, very good tip. The first thing you want to do is put your hair in a middle parting. So very easily just obviously go from the centre of your brow all the way up and then part it in the centre. So I'm going to take a little section from the front, basically from either the front of your ear or just measure about an inch from the front of your head, and then just take this little section down here so that we've got some free hair that's hanging. And then what you want to do is take this part back and do the same on the other side. So very easy, just two sections from the front to frame your face. And obviously I've already curled mine, but if I hadn't curled my hair already, then I would do this after I've done the bun. So then just grabbing the rest of the hair at the back into a ponytail so that you know what you've got to play with. Already put your bobble in your hand just to make it easier. And then what you want to do is just by using your hands, just scoop up all of the hair from the back. Just using your hands makes it easier, and it's also nice and like kind of rough and rustic looking. Just pull it up in the centre, like so, and just run through your fingers and make sure that it's not got any tugs in it and stuff. So then all you want to do is kind of pull it to the front and centre of your head and bring it right up on top. So you literally want it not very far back from where you've made that centre parting. And then once you've done that, kind of loosen it off, give it a bit of a shake. And then what you want to do is like twist this part round your finger. So I've got my finger in the centre here and I'm just holding it. And then the end part here, I try to tuck under the hair, if that makes sense, and then pull this all through. So I'm just kind of tucking it under and tucking it under until I get a shape that I really like. And then using my bobble, I just secure that in place. Make sure you put your bobble on nice and tight as well, because you don't want it to feel really loose on your head. But you do want it to feel like the rest of your hair is quite free flowing apart from that part. So once it's like that, you've obviously got your bun and it's nice and centre in the middle of your head. But what I like to do then is take these parts here and pull them, and then also at the back, just to make it a bit more sort of a relaxed look. And that is basically how I do that. I just kind of mess about with it. If you've got short hair, use some dry shampoo, it'll really make a difference. And then now that I'm happy with the bun shape, I'm just going to spray that. Just pulling these bits apart to make it nice and big and bouncy and messy really. And then the front sections, like I say, I've already curled my hair, so I'm quite happy with how that looks. But all you would do is just take a curling wand, take a section at the front. I'd probably split this into two parts, like this part and this part, and then just like curl it round your curling wand like that. And once you're happy with how that frames your face, kind of just these parts here, I would then take this sort of first section, if that makes sense, here, and tuck it behind my ear, just because I don't like the way that that split looks, you know, when you can see that. So I would just kind of like tuck that behind my ear a little bit there, and do the same at that side, and then let the other parts just come down and frame my face. And that is it. It's very simple, quite effective, and it really looks like you've went to a big effort, because I think these parts at the front here that are curled make it look as if you've actually curled the rest of your hair. It's kind of an illusion. But anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Very simple, very quick. If you do try this bun out, then please take a picture and post it on Instagram and tag me so I can have a look, or put it in Insta stories and I will reshare my favourite ones. But I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, then please make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!